Hello viewers, friends. Welcome to my channel Math Classes by Surendra Sir. Today I am going to explain chapter 9 from NCERT book. Topic is algebraic expression and identities. Exercise 9.1. Question number 3. Today I will start. Add the following. A number question from 3. AB minus BC, comma BC minus CA, comma CA minus AB. This is very easy question. First we do remove comma and put plus sign. This way. AB minus BC. This comma is given. You remove this comma and put plus sign. Then write BC minus CA. Again this comma remove and put plus sign. CA minus AB. After that, arrange in like term. So AB, first we see how many AB is there in this question. So AB and here is also AB. So we write here AB. Then minus BC, then plus BC, minus CA plus CA. After that we can see this is plus AB and this is minus AB. So this will cancel. Minus BC will cancel. Minus CA plus CA will cancel. So this way all get 0. So this is the answer. So this is very easy, children. Not to worry. So this way all questions sums are very easy. Just you see carefully. In each question, remove comma and put plus sign. This way, A minus B plus AB. We write, here is the comma, remove comma and put plus sign. B minus C plus BC. Again comma remove and put plus sign. C minus A plus AC. Do you know why do we remove comma and put plus sign? Because we have to add. That is why. After that, arrange all the like term. A, first we see how many A is there in this question. A here and here is given. So we write again A, here is minus A, minus B plus B, no other B, plus AB plus AB. Okay, single AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, after that we can see minus A plus A cancel, plus B minus B cancel. What is left? Plus AB plus BC plus AC. So we can write here AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the answer. This way, B number question is also completed. After that, question number C. This is also very easy, children. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4, comma. So, you remove comma and put plus sign. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus this comma we remove and put plus sign. 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. After that we arrange in like term. So we can see variable part. P square q square, p square q square. So we write together 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. After that pq we will write this one. Minus 3pq plus 7pq. After that numbers only. Plus 4 plus 5. After that like term we add or subtract. See 2p square minus 3p square q square. So plus minus minus. So minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. So minus p square q square. Minus 3p plus 7p plus minus minus. So 7 minus 3 4. 4p q. After that plus 4 plus 5. So 5 plus 4 9. So this way this is the answer. This way we can do completed question number C. Now question number D. L square plus m square, remove comma and put plus sign. M square plus n square. Again we remove comma and put plus sign. N square plus L square, comma we remove and put plus sign. 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. After that see how many L. Here is also one L, 2L. So we can write 2L square plus 2M square plus 2N square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. After that what we can do? We can see 2 is written in all the term. So we can take 2 common. So we take common 2 from each term. So what is left? If you take 2 common, left here L square plus M square, here N square plus here LM plus MN plus NL, this way. So after that this step is the last step and this is the answer. Question number 4. This is also very easy. In this question we have to subtract. Question come this way. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 4 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. In this type of the question, we start from here. If anything, easy tricks, if written from is in the question, so we start after the from. Whatever is written, we start after from. So we can start from here. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. After that we put here minus sign. Why we minus sign we put here? Because we have to subtract. After that we write in bracket 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 and bracket close. After that next step we remove comma and remove bracket and change the sign. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Here we can remove bracket and change the sign. Minus 4a minus minus plus 7ab, this is a, this plus 3b plus 12. Sorry, minus plus minus plus minus 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 plus minus, this way. Okay, we have to change the sign. After that we can write together a 12a. A is again only minus 4a. 12a minus 4a. 12a minus 4a. After that 9ab minus 9ab plus 7ab. After that 5b plus 5b minus 3b. After that minus 3 or minus 12. Minus 3 minus 12. Okay. After that what we can do? 12 minus 4a, 8a. After that 9a minus 9ab plus 7ab. So minus plus minus, so minus 2ab. After that 5b minus 3b, so plus 2b. 5 minus 3, 2b. Then after that minus 3 minus 12, same sign addition. So 12 plus 3, 15 to minus 15. Same sign addition. We can add but put minus sign. So this way, this is the answer. So this way question number A from 4 is completed. After that we can do next question from 4b. Okay, see, the question is subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So we start from here because after from we start. What we write first? 5xy minus z minus 2zx plus 10xyz minus, why do we write this minus sign? Because we have to subtract. After that we write in bracket xy plus 5yz minus 7z, close the bracket. Next step, we remove this bracket and change the sign. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2 plus 10xyz minus 3xy minus plus minus 5yz minus minus plus 7zx. After that we write all together like term. 5xy, here is 1 5xy, here is 1xy. Okay, so 5xy minus 3xy. Okay, after that minus 2yz, then yz here, minus 5yz. After that 2zx, we write first 2 minus 2 zx. After that how many zx? 1 zx plus 7 zx. After that what is left? Here nothing is left. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This way we can count. After that plus 10xyz plus 10xyz. This way we can again check the all terms we have written or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7. Okay, all terms are here. After that we subtract 5 minus 3 2xy. After that same sign addition, minus 2yz minus 5yz minus 7yz. After that zx, 2zx plus 7zx, 7 minus 2 5 plus 5zx plus 10xyz, 10x. This way this question is also complete. Okay, after that next question, C number. This is also very easy. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So we start from here because I told you that after from we start. So we can start from here. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus, we can write it here in the bracket, 4p square minus 3pq plus, we can write here because there is no place here, plus 5pq square. We remove one plus sign here, plus 5pq square. After that minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. Close the bracket. Check all terms you have written or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. After that, remove bracket and change the sign. Next step, write equal sign. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square minus plus minus minus 4p square pq. After that, here minus plus minus 5p q square minus plus 8p minus plus minus 7q minus plus 10. So we change the sign. After that, we write all like term. So first we write a square part. 2pq square. pq square. How many here? Two terms are pq square. Or also two term. Only one term, I think. 5pq square. Yes, here two terms. Okay. Now we start writing. Okay, we can check again. 4p I have left q. So question that what is left. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. After that we can write all like terms. So we start from the powers one. 2pq square first we write 2pq square. So pq square variable part we can see this here. This is also minus 2pq square. Here also minus 5pq square. After that this part 4p square q minus 4p square q, and then after that 4pq square p. Here also minus 2pq square. Here first I have written minus 5pq square. This part and this part I have written. After that minus 4p p square q q. Then after that plus 5p square q. After that we write here, we have to see carefully. Okay. After that pq plus 5pq plus 3pq. After that what is left? pq part I have written p. Okay, minus 3 minus plus 8p. After that q part is left, na? Minus 11q minus 7q. After that numbers 18 is the plus 18 plus 10. After writing we can count all the terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also we can count 1, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 means same. Okay, this way you can check that's all terms you have written or not. After that you can subtract this part like term, this part term, this part like term. This way you can't make mistake. You can focus that. This way you have to subtract. So both are minus, same sign. So we can add. Same sign is addition. Minus 2p p square q pq square minus 5p square. So 5 minus 5 to minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 pq square. Here minus plus minus 4 p square q only. We can write 1, no need to write 1. Here 5p cube, 3p cube, both are plus, so 5 plus 3, 8p cube. Here 8p minus 3p, minus plus minus, to 8 minus 3, 5, to 5p. Here both signs are same sign, to minus plus 11 minus 7, plus 7, 18, to minus 18 plus 10, 28. So this way, this is the answer. So this way, this chapter is completed. So we can do, it's very easy.